Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil service mains, IFS, and various gate exam. The next topic in the chapter of thermodynamic relation is difference in heat capacity. So we have two TDS equation. First is in terms of Cv, that is Cv dt plus T curly P by curly T V constant dV, and second is in terms of Cp, Cp Tt minus T curly P by curly T P constant dV. That we have derived in the last video. So we can take Cp and Cv term on the left hand side and other term on the right hand side. So it will be Cp minus Cv into dt is equal to this term plus this term, or this term can be or whole equation can be divided by Cp minus Cv. So dt is equal to T curly P by curly T V constant Cp by Cv, Cp minus Cv into dV plus T curly V by curly T P constant divided by Cp minus Cv into dV. Okay, so now this temperature uh, can be assumed as function of volume and pressure. So it can be written as dt curly T by curly dt is equal to curly T by curly V is equal to P constant into dV plus curly T by curly V constant dV. Okay, so now if we compare these two equations, then this term must be equal to this and this term must be equal to this. Coefficient of dV should be same and coefficient of dP should be same. From this we have T curly P by curly T V constant divided by Cp minus Cv is equal to curly T by curly V P constant, and from this we have T curly V by curly T P constant divided by Cp minus Cv is equal to curly T by curly P V constant. Okay. So these equations give Cp minus Cv is equal to T curly P by curly T V constant curly V by curly T P constant, and we have derived this also in the first video in the chapter of theorem, that curly P by curly T is equal V constant curly T by curly V P constant, or curly V by curly T P constant is equal to minus 1. So from this we can put the value of curly P by curly T. So it will be minus curly V by curly T P constant curly P by curly V P constant. So we can put this value here. So it will be your Cp minus Cv. So Cp minus Cv is equal to minus curly V by curly T P constant square curly P by curly V P constant. So this is equation number 1. Suppose this is equation number 1 and we will derive the result or analyze the result from it. So this is the general equation of Cp minus Cv. So here if you can see, this is square, so it will be always positive, and curly P by curly V is at constant temperature for any substance is negative. So Cp minus Cv will always be positive, or Cp will be always greater than Cv. And if we take T as 0 Kelvin, then Cp will be equal to Cv. So at absolute 0, Cp is equal to Cv. For water at 4 degrees Celsius, this curly V by curly T at constant pressure is 0. So Cp is equal to Cv for this condition also. Now if we take the case of ideal gas, then ideal gas equation is Pv is equal to mRT. If we keep the pressure constant, then curly V by curly T will be at curly V by curly T will be at, because m is constant, r is constant, and we are keeping pressure also constant. So it will be equal to mr by T, because T differentiation is 1 respectively. So it will be V by T. Keeping pressure constant, V will be equal to mRT by P. So curly V by curly T at constant pressure will be your mr by P. And from this mr by P is your V by T. So curly V by curly T at constant pressure is your V by T. And similarly, curly P by curly V, curly P by curly V from this at constant temperature will be, if we take the temperature constant, that will be equal to mr by V, and if we differentiate it to V, then it will be minus mr T by V square. Okay, if we take temperature constant, then P will be equal to mRT by V, and if we differentiate it with respect to V, then we curly P by curly V, temperature constant, and on the right hand side it will be mRT by V square and minus differentiation. V 1 by V differential is minus 1 by V square. Other things are constant. M is constant, R is constant, T is constant. Okay. So now we can put this value in the equation number 1. If we put here curly V by curly T, here P constant, and curly P by curly V, T constant, then we'll get Cp minus Cv. So Cp minus Cv is equal to mR, or for 1 kg it is R. Okay. Here it is square, so square will cancel out, and T is there, and T is also there, so T square will also cancel out, so it will be mR only, or Cp minus Cv is your R. Now we will define one more term, that is volume expansivity, that is rate of change of volume with respect to temperature at constant pressure divided by original volume. Rate of change of volume at constant pressure with respect to temperature divided by volume. That is your volume expansivity. And one more term, that is isothermal expansivity, isothermal compressibility. So that is your rate of change of volume with respect to pressure at constant temperature. Isothermal is constant temperature divided by original volume. Okay. So now we can use these two terms in the equation number 1. So that is your equation number 1. So we can modify this. So we can multiply and divide V. So V multiply divide by V, and one more we will give V square. Curly V by curly T here is already there at constant pressure. Now this term in divide can be written as curly V by curly T, T constant. So as we have written V square here, so or 1 by V square, so we use 1 by V also here. This V, 1 V will cancel out from this, and 1 V will cancel from this. Okay. So now this is your beta square, and this is your Kt. So Cp minus Cv is your Cv beta square by Kt in terms of volume expansivity and isothermal compressibility.